Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss about adding a gift card onto your Paxful account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device and proceed with logging in using your credentials or your biometrics. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you wish to load a gift card, then you can scroll down and see if this option is available. Tap on all payment methods and now you will see the various options such as bank transfer, online wallet, and various other services. Underneath these services, however, there is no option to use a gift card. If you have not already verified your account, then make sure to get it verified first by tapping on account and then tapping on account status. From here, you can proceed with verifying your identity, and once your ID has been verified, you might find the gift card option. However, if you still don't find this option, then this means that Paxful does not support gift cards, and you won't be able to use a gift card on Paxful. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about using or adding gift card on your Paxful account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.